In this video, Kiki Review will review a doorbell, a sophisticated doorbell gadget that can be connected to your smartphone. Like CCTV, the Kiki Review this time it is called Ring Video Doorbell. Video 1080p HD Video, Live View, Night Vision Field of View. 155 degrees horizontal, 90 degrees vertical motion detection, advanced motion detection with adjustable motion zones. Audio two-way audio with noise cancellation power. Runs on a built-in rechargeable battery. Can be hardwired to an existing doorbell system or transformer for continuous charging. 8-24 VAC, 40 VA max, 50/60ths of a hertz. No halogen or garden lighting transformers. No DC transformer, power supply. Internet requirements: high-speed internet connectivity 802.11 b per gram, N Wi-Fi connection at 2.4 GHz. Operating conditions -5 degrees Fahrenheit to 120 degrees Fahrenheit, -20 degrees Celsius to 48 degrees Celsius. Water resistant. Available colors: satin nickel, Venetian bronze. Dimensions 4.98 in by 2.44 in by 1.10 in, 126.5 mm by 62 mm by 28 mm. Average install time 5 minutes. For other variants and our price, Kiki Review already provides a link in the description. Thank you for watching this doorbell video. Bye.